Helpful advice to help you stop snoring. Snoring is not elegant. It is destructive to your health, your relationships, and your mental state. Finding a treatment also is not elegant, but it will be much easier for you if you start with the tips in this video. They'll help you figure out what sort of treatment you're seeking and where to find it today. If you have a snoring problem, avoid sleeping on your back. This position makes snoring more likely because of the way the soft palate and base of the tongue rest at the back of your mouth. Instead, sleep on your side. You are less likely to snore in this position and your quality of sleep will likely improve. While it may seem strange, you should wash or replace your pillows frequently to prevent snoring. If your snoring is allergy related, your pillows, which can house dust mites, dander, and other allergens, may be the culprits. Regular laundering or purchasing fresh pillows will keep these allergens to a minimum. Alternately, try hypoallergenic cases for your pillows. Tape your nose using specialized strips. Snoring is not only a problem in regard to your health, it can impact the health of loved ones. When you are snoring so loudly that those near you can get any sleep, it is a problem for everyone. Consider using unmedicated nasal strips to help control your snoring. Try using a pillow to elevate your head when you are a chronic snorer. Purchase a thicker pillow or just simply use more than one pillow. You may already have around the house. This will ensure you open up your airways and ensure that your partner also gets a good night's sleep. Stop smoking to stop snoring. When you inhale tobacco smoke into your lungs, irritants are produced that affect your airway and nasal membranes. The resulting inflammation causes your throat to narrow and contributes to your snoring. Try not to smoke before going to bed, or better yet, give it up altogether. Talk to your doctor about prescribing something to help you quit snoring. While medication performance varies among different users, some snorers have found their snoring is greatly reduced when they use medications that are hailed as anti-snoring remedies. These remedies come in various forms ranging from pills to nasal sprays. If you want to stop snoring when you sleep, you should sleep on your side. Sleeping on your back instigates snoring, and sleeping on your stomach just hurts your neck. Sleeping on your side helps you rest peacefully, without having to worry about snoring as much. Give it a try. If you or a loved one has noticed that you have a snoring problem, you should make an appointment to be evaluated in a sleep study. You may have sleep apnea, a condition where the esophagus closes and causes breathing problems such as snoring. If you have sleep apnea, you may be eligible for a CPAP machine that will create positive airflow while you sleep, curing snoring as well as breathing related problems. Are you ready to take the information you've watched here and turn it into a cure for your snoring? If you are, then it's time for you to get to work. The sooner you implement the tips from this video, the more rapidly you'll be able to enjoy a full night's restorative sleep. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.